Welcome, eh? Hope the journey was not stressful. Fast, more. Sorry. This one you have come to Lagos. You know you've been disturbing me. You want to come to Lagos. You want to come to Lagos. First of all, welcome to Lagos. But you see this Lagos that you have come, you have to shine your eye. We have different ways of making money. That's for sure. We have the ones that will go from morning to night working. They will wear uniform. They'll go around working hard. Then we have the ones that are so lucky because of their beauty, shape, and courage. They meet these solid men that takes good care of them. And with this your fine body, it's a cash. If you wear some nice dresses, any man that sees you cannot take his eyes off you. For me, I would have given you some of my clothes, but I really don't have so much. And you know, you are more endowed than I am. I have this friend. Don't worry, I'll take you there. She'll give us some nice dresses. Dresses that when you wear like this, as you step out, baby. That's what they'll be shouting. Because you're hot.
Hey, me village girl hot.
No, now you don't know. You're not a village girl again. You've come to Lagos. You're not a village girl. Another thing. You see all this broken we used to speak sometimes. Switch it. Talk like a classy lady, because you can't find any classy girl in Lagos speaking Afana. Nah, they don't do that here. If not, this man will not rate you.
To speak Oyibo all the time. Yeah, though.
I don't understand. The English too. Were you not the best in class? You that was giving us funny. If you want to switch to UK, you enter. America, you enter. Is it not you again?
I don't hear. Okay. Calm down. I understand what you're saying. So, when it comes to English, my vision and my mission in life is to bring forth my objective and then take over the city.
Bad girl. And when you're talking, just be doing like this. So, you know?
So, that's a small thing.
Don't worry. I believe you. With you like this, we are going to catch the big fish. I believe you will catch it.
But I don't get all those hot clothes where city gets the wear.
I said, don't worry now. I have friends who go and borrow. Some of them I used to post that you see me. Borrow, make me shine. Hey, they play. Even the English from today, I won't speak any bad English with you. This is the end of it. Like, I'm switching.
Wait, but if me and you did together, we fit speak now.
No.
I go on the polish every time.
Polish. Here you go. Thank you very much.
That's fine.
We truly appreciate you.
It's fine.
Not everyone has your kind heart. So see you gave us everything we asked for. Like, thank you.
As long as my own is don't spoil anything for me. As long as you keep to my terms and conditions, I don't think we'll have a problem. That's just it.
No, don't worry.
As long as you don't spoil anything, I beg. In good condition, I beg. I don't want to hear story. And if you should breach our agreements, I will react, I will overreact. Anything you see, you take it. I beg.
Wow.
Words are very cheap. Just keep to the agreements. That's my own. Keep to the agreements. You don't have an issue.
No problem. See, agreement is agreement.
It's fine.
Whatever we agree here stands. We'll return then, as you said.
As long as you don't breach the agreements. Thank you.
All right.
It's fine.
And we have to start going now.
Okay.
Don't worry. As agreed, we'll bring there.
Sure.
Thank you.
Handle it, Kel.
Trust me now.
Yeah, sure. All right, bye-bye.
See how you're looking with this dress. You see what I was telling you about? You look so hot.
Yes. See how this one is showing here.
No.
I will not be wearing big pints.
Thank you.
G-string. Small pints.
Yes. That everything will just enter. Can you see how you're looking with this dress? We have more. See more. I told you, man. Those people. That lady.
This one, borrow.
Borrow. Yes, now.
Naza.
Don't forget, 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you're taking them back.
Yes.
I think it gets like, hey,
sophisticated. So na Brazilian hair.
Yes, now. As in, See, and all these things, I beg, you will have to use them carefully. Don't misplace.
I won't misplace series for chance. Hey.
You will finish them in this Lagos.
Hey. Oh, she.
Baddest.
Hey.
Everything you wear suits you.
I got me now. Thank you.
I look good. That's how you start working. Make sure you're shaking it up.
The journey of love, so interesting, you may not know where it will lead you. But one thing I know, you've got to follow your heart to the place.
Oga. Good morning, sir.
Morning. When did you see Bianca here last?
Bianca. Okay, I don't know who be Bianca. I never see anybody. Nobody don't enter here today.
John, there's only one woman who visit me here.
Wait. Now that fine auntie would always come here.
That fine.
That you know, Bobo?
Yes, that fine auntie. Moving forward, she's my ex, so do not let her into this house. Do you understand me? What I'm saying is, I don't want her close to this house, anywhere near this house. If she enters this house, John, I will fire you. Do you understand? Open the gate.
But Oga, I didn't say
What?
that.
Okay, just open the damn gate.
Ha.
There's a feeling that is stronger than pain, but it comes with so much uncertainty. Thriving above all of the locked up emotions, trying to keep the heart from opening the door. But the beauty of love, you may not know where it'll find you. The journey of love, so interesting, you may not know where it'll lead you. But one thing I know, you've got to follow your heart to the place it will take you, to the one it will lead you to. You've got to follow your heart.
Nothing way John no go see. Nothing I no go see for this gate. I no blame anybody. John, anytime we come here, open gates for them, na my baby. Now the same person too. Now he come today, come they tell me say, John, no open this gate for them, or anytime where you pass around there, no let them pass. Now my S. All these big man self, I don't even know what they want. I don't understand them sometimes. One person, I don't know where to follow, I don't know how to understand them at all. You go talk this one today, you go talk this one tomorrow. The same person, they talk the same thing. I don't tell all these guys, you see these men, make una get plenty, not get only one. If you put one man only, if he disappoint you and now you go to cry. But if you then there's 7, you go Steve, as this one do like this now, you follow the other one, go that side. They know they hear something. See them now.
Mom, you're back. When did you return?
I return when I like.
Oh, Mom, you've been gone for 2 months. You just go back and you're already mad at me.
Why shouldn't I? Why shouldn't I, Adrian? I called you several times at the airport to come pick me. You didn't return. You wasn't even answering.
Mom,
you didn't return the call.
I am so sorry. My phone was on silence. I had a serious meeting all day. I apologize. Forgive me, please. Mom, I said I'm sorry.
Apologize, stepdad.
Great. Mommy. Mwah. How was your trip?
Great! Beautiful! Exactly the way we planned it. I had fun!
I can I could tell. It's written all over your face.
Thank you.
All right, Mommy, let me go upstairs, freshen up, and then I'll come back and you tell me all about your trip.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
All right. Arthur,
Yes?
please sit.
Oh, my. Fine. Seated.
Adrian, when I was on vacation, I had this news that made me happy and at the same time sad.
What news is that?
One of my friends got a call that her daughter-in-law had given birth.
And how did this make you sad?
Adrian, you don't understand.
Okay.
I'm happy for her. But I'm so sad because I wish it was you.
Oh, God. Not again.
I need grandchildren, and you're not getting any younger.
Mommy, come on. You just came back from vacation. I just came back from work. Like, I need to rest. We can talk about this later. I need to get up and freshen up. And... Come on, Mom. I missed you. Welcome back. Missed you. Come back.
Missed you too, son.
What is wrong? Why does he always shy away from this discussion? Why?
Thriving above all of the locked up emotions, trying to keep the heart from opening the door. But the beauty of love, you may not know where it'll find you. The journey of love, so interesting, you may not know where it'll lead you. But one thing I know, you've got to follow your heart to the place it will take you, to the one it will lead you to. You've got to follow your heart. You've got to follow your heart. Follow Listen to your heart calling. You gotta answer. You gotta answer. In this journey of life.
Hold on. Mom, I'm coming. Jeez. Why are you banging on my door like that? Mom? What? Mom, what's the problem? Why are you banging on my door?
Adrian, why is your kitchen so empty? Why is there nothing in your kitchen?
My kitchen. I was planning to restock this weekend.
Oh, thank goodness. This is the weekend. This is the weekend. When there is nothing in your kitchen, how do you expect someone to prepare food in this house?
Mom, I just told you I'll restock this weekend. I was planning to do it. I'm going to do it.
What? Adrian, what? Oh, you want to order food like you did the other time? Eh? I told you to get a domestic worker. You refused. Get a wife. You're not taking it seriously. What is wrong with you? Look at how empty your kitchen is. Why?
Mom, I will fix it, okay? I'll fix it. You don't have to come and be yelling at me this early morning now.
From lying on the bed by this time? Is that how you're going to fix it? Lying on the bed by this time, I want you to get up and go and restock right now.
Like right now?
Yes.
Mom, I have to freshen up now. It's not they do or that. I'm going to do it.
I don't care. Adrian, I don't care. Since you have refused to get a domestic worker to help you or marry a wife to attend to so many things, I will keep stressing you. So you dress up and go and restock your kitchen right now. And don't waste my time. I need to prepare food. I cannot eat all that food. Never. It will not happen again.
There's a feeling that is stronger than pain, but it comes with so much uncertainty.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Hey, are you okay?
yeah. I'm so sorry. I wasn't looking at where I was.
It's all right. It's all right. Hope you're fine.
Yes, I'm fine. Is everything all right in there?
Yeah,
Nothing got broken or something?
Should be fine.
Okay.
Sorry, my name is Adrian Bello.
Oh, my name is Diamond. Nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you, Diamond. You have a great day, yeah?
You too, please be safe.
I will.
Son, you used to mention one lady's name to my hearing often. What happened? We don't mention her again.
We broke up.
Broke up?
Yes, we broke up, Mom.
You don't love her again?
Mom, you know you continuously prying into my love life is not going to make me find a woman or get married, right? You need to slow down a bit. You're pressuring me now.
Adrian, because I want you to. I want you to get married. I want you to get a wife for yourself. Okay. Please, if you are finding it difficult to get a wife because you're busy, let me just arrange it.
No. What? Why would you want to arrange? Mom, can you stop? You know what? I actually have someone. I found a woman.
Wow. That's so nice.
Yeah.
So good to hear. So have you engaged her?
Mom, how will I engage her without telling you first? I actually plan to. The thing is, she traveled for a business trip. So when she gets back, I'll do it.
Wow. Congratulations, my son. This is beautiful. So good to hear. This is what I want to hear now. Thank you. Bless you, Jerry.
Mom, you said you're leaving tomorrow, right?
No. Oh, did I say that?
Yeah, I think
No. Till I meet your woman. Your woman now.
Mom, I just told you she's on a business trip. She literally just left.
Don't worry. Is you waiting? I will wait until she comes back. I want to see her. Adrian, your happiness is my priority.
Oh. You know you have to stress yourself now. I know you have things to do. You know you have friends.
Don't worry.
Hey, Mama Amaka, you know you have not seen her since you.
Don't bother yourself. They'll wait for me. Jesus, thank you. This is the best news ever. Thank you, son.
I don't understand. What are you doing?
Please, it's too small now.
Please, see. Simon, this is Lagos. So what's wrong with you? You are looking. Look at you now. Look at your body. This is what every girl that wants to get it. This is what they wear. Like you walk. Don't go there and be dragging your clothes. Oh.
Well, it's just to go and stand on the road, to wait for big baller. If I don't see baller now, I will go and stay with those girls in their girls' quarters. You know something? Walk like a queen.
They're looking so hot. This is what you should be wearing every time.
Hey, Naza baby. See, Naza. I just want to say thank you. Say you come out me for inside village. Come bring me enter city.
Reverse it. Speak like a queen.
Okay, you remove me from village to the city, and you are taking good care of me. Thank you so much.
Simon, you don't have to thank me now. You're my friend. I'm just doing this so that things can get better. And I believe very soon. Shake it up, man. Clap it. You look good.
Okay.
Zach, come on, start going. Come on,
Where
start
we
going.
going?
Time is running very fast.
Let me get my bag.
All right.
this street get glory. I never see one better man for this street since I stand for here. I been make I waka go reach junction. Which kind of street be this? Nobody at all. Everybody just dey waka dey pass. Now wow. Poverty don't really hook this country. See customer, make a package.
Hey,
Hey, Adrian, right?
Adrian, and you're Diamond. I remember you.
Of course.
What are you doing here?
Yes, I'm trying to get to work, but my ride is messing me up.
Are you heading to work or something?
Yes, actually, I'm trying to get to work, but my ride is
You're
my
right.
ride messed up on me.
Oh, you're a driver. What happened to your car? Is it bad?
Oh, my car is at the mechanics.
Oh.
My friend sent me her ride, but I don't know where the guy is.
Oh, I could drop you off. I'm just heading home.
No,
I'm just heading home.
I wouldn't want to stress
It's
you.
just stress. I'm actually just heading home. I have nothing to do. I could drop you off. It's no bother.
Well, since you insist.
I can insist. Yeah, come here.
So good to see you,
Yeah,
Adrian.
you too. What a coincidence.
I know, right?
Yeah. I was going to ask you if it's not too much. What do you do for a living?
Business. I have different business across the state.
Across the state. You're doing well for yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Can I ask what line of business you're in?
Beauty. I'm a beautician. Yes, I make women beautiful.
Oh, beautician. I myself, I'm into tech. My business is spreading all across Africa and outside, so I'm doing pretty well for myself. So I'm
That's
doing
impressive.
Pretty well. Thank you.
My father wanted me to be a tech.
Oh, really?
But when he realized I had strong passion for beauty, supported me regardless.
You are one lucky woman. Your father is very understanding.
That's right.
Can I get your number?
Normally, I don't give strangers my contact, but you...
I wouldn't believe I'm becoming a friend.
Okay, sure.
Right, that was... Hey, stuff in there?
Diamond, of course.
Diamond, of course. I'll definitely call you.
All right, sure.
The journey of love, so interesting, you may not know where it'll lead you.
If you see this guy, so fine. See your lumps, very kissable lumps. From the phone that he's using, you would tell that he's a rich guy. He say he has one tech company, something in me like that. Me, I just use my number 6 to understand the meaning of tech.
So with all these explanations, did he collect your number? Like, did you guys exchange contacts?
Nah. You don't trust me again? I just pray say, God could just do make you fall in love.
But you know that you can actually make it work. Yes, now you can. Just try and eradicate this your broken English that you're always speaking. You know, change it. Start speaking like a queen that you are. Match your standard, like package yourself. With that, it will work. Trust me.
When I can't come up for this house for you, what's happen? Person if you just dey relaxed for house. I cannot speak this type of thing outside now.
I don't even want to hear it anyway, even if it's just the both of us. Don't speak it. Don't speak it close to me or anyone else.
I don't. Okay. He's the one calling you. Baby, thank you for this phone. At the time when you want to collect my number, I stretch iPhone. He's stretch iPhone. iPhone to iPhone. I can pick up. Shh.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
You hear pidgin English for my mouth now. You hear pidgin.
Oh, I'm here. Yeah. Mm-mm. Okay. Yeah.
Everything. Oh, good morning.
Son, morning.
Morning.
It seems like you are in a haste.
Yes,
Can't you
Mom.
wait for breakfast? I'm almost done.
Mom, I'm sorry, I can't. I have this very important meeting. I have to be at the office right now.
Okay. And that reminds me. Please don't forget to bring your beautiful woman home this weekend. I know you have a high taste when it comes to choosing a wife.
I already told you she's at a business trip. She's not back yet. Yes.
She has returned. I overheard you discussing with her last night. You were asking her business and all that, and you know.
Mom, are you spying on me right now?
No. No, not at all. Young man, you said you're really in a haste. Run along. And don't forget to order food for yourself when you get to the office, okay? Bye.
See you when I get back. Bye.
See you there.
Really?
It's not funny. It's not funny. My mom just keeps pressuring me. Like, I don't want to get married. I do want to get married. But even if I get married, I should get married to someone that I love, right?
Right, of course. But I don't want to believe that you brought me out of my work, my business, my clients, so that you can just complain to me.
Not exactly. The day I was having this conversation, I was on the phone with you. So I kind of like need your help.
You need my help, as it. Wait. Let it not be what I'm thinking, or you want me to do fake marriage for you, or what?
Because the thing is, my mom, okay, she just got back from her vacation. She decided to branch my house and spend some few days. And then, I mean, if you're with me, then she will believe the whole story. Just for the few weeks that she'll be around. And it's not free. I'm actually going to pay you.
Pay me as what? Oh, please. You don't have to pay me, Joe.
Are you serious?
I'll help you.
Seriously?
What are friends for?
All right, thank you.
I'm a big girl. I don't need your money.
Wow, okay. This has been better than I thought. Thank you.
You're welcome anytime. So, can I go back to my clients now?
Yeah. Let me just drop you off, yeah?
Oh, that'd be lovely.
Okay. All right. See you second.
My fiancé, whatever they call it these days.
Both works.
Hey, let me understand you, Kelly.
Yeah.
So that's how you're going to stay in his house for few weeks. Act like his fiancé. And then you're telling me you're not charging him anything, like you're doing it free of charge.
Yeah, he already sees me as a big girl, rich lady. How am I supposed to ask him for money or tell him to do transfer? It will seem transactional, I just didn't know how to present myself that way. What do you think?
That's true, Sha. But business is business. Okay, what if the mom doesn't like you?
She had better like me, She had better like me, because from there like this now, he can start liking me too. I mean, real life, don't be fake plan, like, I can now become the real fiancé.
You're not beginning to sound like the noble woman he sees you as. And you know what, Diamond? I think this is not even about the money. This is an opportunity. If you act your card right, I promise you, you're going to end up not just acting, but becoming his real life fiancé. Trust me.
Now the plan be that, so...
Switch it, turn it.
Oh, but only me and you there now.
It doesn't matter.
Okay. That's what I'm planning. And see, I'm beginning to like him already.
Wait. Can you come again?
You will hear what I talk. Okay. I just want to say that you heard me.
Are you serious?
I just want to say thank you so much for everything. See, once I make this money, I'll finish you with money. You will enjoy scatter.
Diamond, you don't have to thank me. I just want you to like win. You know I'm a girl's girl.
That's what's up.
You win, I win. All right, come on, race. Straight on shower.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, darling.
Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm good. This one young Martin is to go for work today. What's going on?
Today, I am taking a well-deserved break. Just chilling. I've worked too hard. I need to rest.
This sounds suspicious.
What do you mean suspicious?
Yes, because I know that this your break has to do with a woman. So, when am I meeting her?
Well, you're kind of right. Meeting her, she's coming here in like 2 days' time. So she'll spend some time here, and when she's done, you can go, because that was the arrangement, right? Not like I'm chasing you, but you said when you see her, you would go back to your house.
That's wonderful. I'm happy for you. I can't wait to see her.
Me too.
I don't, you've not really told me about her. What does she do? Where's she from? I'm not that I deserve to know.
So you're right. You're right. Okay, so her name is Diamond. And you know me now. You know how much I love career-driven women.
I know.
So she's a businesswoman. She's smart. She's incredibly intelligent. She's very sociable, beautiful, and she owns a chain of businesses all over Nigeria. So she's actually very, very successful.
Oh,
Yes, she is.
congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
And I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
I just know that I hope you both won't waste time getting married.
Come-
Marriage
Mom,
shouldn't be
Mom,
delayed.
Mom, okay. Can you slow down? Can you slow down? All right, just give us some time. I'm ready whenever Diamond is ready. So
You both should be ready soon.
okay, we'll try.
So shall I dish your food?
Yes,
What
yes, I'm
about
actually.
this one?
No, okay, I want my own. This is yours. Can I get mine? Can I get mine? Yeah. This is the place. So we really need to go over a few things. So the goal is that we have to sell this. My mom has to believe that you are my fiance. Do you understand? So that means we're going to be holding hands, calling each other romantic names, a hug, hold, kiss here and there, just look very religious.
Sorry. Why are we kissing?
Because we're supposed to be a couple. My mom is not dumb now. If we do funny things, she'll be suspicious.
Okay.
And don't bother saying too much to her. I already told her everything that you're a very polished woman,
Yes.
which you are,
Yes.
and then that you own a business, and let's just make sure that we sell this properly.
Okay.
With the whole lovey part. Do you understand? Yeah.
Yes. How do I look?
Of course, you look good. Right, so let's go. Remember, let's sell this, please.
Yes, sure, baby.
That
Sure,
works.
baby. Oh, sweetheart, it's your
Anyone, that works.
Okay, welcome. Welcome.
Joe, please help my leaning back.
Hello.
No problem, sir. Welcome. This my organo dey carry last too. This man a better Superman. Wait oh. This one can't find past that yellow purple. Hi. But better soup na money kill am. See enjoyment for this small boy. I dey shame for myself.
So just relax, okay?
Sure she would like me.
Of course you like it. There's nothing not to like.
Okay.
Not necessary. Just
All right, sure. Good day, ma.
My daughter, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. She's so respectful. Please sit.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome. Diamond, right?
Yes, ma.
I am Mrs. Bello. My son here told me so much about you.
Good things, I hope.
Ah, yes. He said you're into business.
Oh, yes, ma. Actually, I'm a beautician. And I have recently expanded my business to have several sites across the state.
Wow, that's impressive.
Yes. If I may, ma, your skin is perfect.
Thank you. Thank you. My son is doing well. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
From what I'm saying, you don't fall short of anything we discussed.
Oh.
You're welcome to Bello's family.
Well, thank you.
What do you mean by that? You know that I always pick the best.
I know.
For this chit-chat, can we, you know.
All right, so time for. Let me serve.
Please, I'll join you in the kitchen, ma.
Oh, you don't have to.
I insist.
All right, let's go.
I'll just wait to see how good it is your thing.
Okay, baby. Yes, he's an amazing
So
person.
going to tell me how you met.
His dick is very long.
Dama, what is it?
Oh, ma.
It seems you're struggling with the cutlery.
No. It's my hand. I dislocated it when I was attending to a client.
Sorry about that.
Some clients can be very stubborn.
Sorry about that. Maybe you should just use a spoon. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Let's use a spoon.
Thank you.
All right, then.
All right.
Yes, this one paining me seriously. Thank you. Oh, I'm so hungry. Sima, the food is very sweet.
Thank you.
I lost my home training.
No, enjoy the food.
Thank you, ma. Oui.
Hey! Are you okay?
I'm not okay. I'm not
What happened?
okay. Hey,
What happened?
your bathroom, the water. I say, as I'm laughing, I say, let me just press one button. Hot water just come from the shower like this, descend upon me.
Wait, Damo, you don't know the difference between the hot and the cold knob? The hot is red, the cold is blue. You can't tell?
What do you mean by that? Ordinary bathroom, ordinary tap for water. I know it. I have plenty in my house. That's not the point. Hey, there was soap inside my eye. I don't know what I was pressing. I went to go and press something.
Okay, so sorry. Okay, just go finish your bath. Again, the cold one is blue and then the hot is red.
Just come and print it. I can use it too. It's not as if I don't know how to do it. It's your house, it's your bathroom. Just come, I beg.
Hello.
Yeah, for us, question. Rich people. Hi.
Hi. Nah, this one will be like the one they use for village. Oh. Hi. But I be sharp girl. I go get them. How do you take to this one now? Which kind? Nobody type who will get for village be this so.
What person could do now? She can wahala with this.
Hey, babe.
Hey, who goes?
Relax.
Sorry.
My mom is in the living room and she could walk in here any moment.
Yeah, she's close by.
Yeah, she's in the living room.
Yeah, okay.
What are you doing?
Is this cooker or
Okay.
I don't want to start. I've tried to turn it on. But it's not working. Maybe it's spoiled too.
The last time I checked, it was working pretty fine.
Maybe you will try it.
Okay. Or maybe it's spoiled. I don't know. It's possible. Maybe something. Okay. So it's working fine.
Hey, this thing is very wonderful, Tino. So he knows you hand off his owner. He's trying to tell me that me I'm a visitor. That's why.
Yeah, well, you are actually very funny.
Eh.
You should be a comedian. You're funny.
Thank you.
There you go.
Okay.
So what are you making for breakfast?
No more bread and tea. I want to boil water now.
Okay. When you're done, I'm upstairs. Just let me know so I'll come down.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Very well.
Waka chege. Waka, you dey grace. You dey mad. Now me you want disgrace. Not be the same place I turned just now. Eh? My God. Now wow. You to say I don't use my number 6 now. Tell her, say, okay, you use your hand, those two. I want to tell her, say, I know sabi operate this kind of thing. Me, big girl. Big, rich kid.
Diamond. Hi. I wanted to have a word with you.
Oh. Okay. Are you okay, babe?
Okay, you don't have to call me babe. My mom is not around. Okay, so we can drop there.
All right, that's fine. What's up?
So I saw you having a conversation with the security guard. What is that about?
Oh, the funny guy. We were just gisting, nothing much.
Just gisting.
Yeah.
And that's why you were laughing so hard and so at ease with the security guard. It's like you forget who you are. You're a businesswoman. So talking to the security guard is a bit off. I mean, if you're bored and lonely in this house, I'm your fiance. I mean, pretend fiance. You could come talk to me instead of, having conversations with just this security guard. It's just a bit off. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. You can.
Adrian Bello. Are you jealous?
What? Why would I be jealous? I'm just protecting you. Like, as a classy lady, talking to the security guard is just a bit off. That's all I'm saying. I'm not. Why would I be jealous?
It's okay. It's fine. You're right. My bad. You're right, actually. But I'm a sociable person. I'm an extrovert. I talk to everyone, and I do not discriminate. The fact that he's a security man doesn't make him less of a human. But I see your point. Next time I want to chat, I'll come and just with my fiancé.
So just so that my mom doesn't suspect anything.
I get.
I'm just looking out for so that this whole thing just.
Of course. So can I go upstairs now?
Of course you can go.
Darling. All right.
jealous ke.
They tell you the price of this perfume now. They go say na 2.5 million. Hi! Rich people. See this one. Rich people. Ewo! 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 Hey! Hey! Jesus!
What's the problem?
Jesus.
What's the problem?
What did happen for you? I mean, I'm not the one that touched the light. The light just off by itself. I didn't touch anything.
Yeah, you most likely clapped. It's a sensor. Once you clap, it goes off. You should know that now.
Sensor!
Yeah, it's all over the house. Have you not noticed?
Yes, of course, I know sensor. I have in my house. Our own is if you sneeze, the sensor everywhere go off.
Really?
Yes, now. Oh, you don't know that one?
No, not really.
Yeah, it's Saudi Arabia.
Oh,
yes.
Okay, that's what happened.
It's sneezing, our own is sneezing. So as I clapped, the thing went on. I was so confused.
It's your sensor. You're good, yeah?
Yes, I'm good. Why?
Okay, then.
Okay.
You scared me there.
Sorry. Sensor. Na abroad be this.
Diamond, it seems you're enjoying the food. What about the hand? The hand has not healed for you to use the cutleries.
Healed as how?
Is your hand still paining you?
My hand.
Remember you told us the last time that you had a wound. It has not healed?
Okay, yes. Oh, my injury. The hand refused to heal. So, and if you use hand, it's sweeter. Baby, use hand, you will like it.
Okay.
I mean, you will like it. Mama.
So, I've been meaning to ask you, how long have you been in your line of work? How exposed have you been, professionally?
Actually, I'm very exposed. I'm well traveled. I started this journey with inspiration and vision. As a young child, I always like to see people with fine makeup, and so I decided to become that person that will redefine women's beauty with makeup and everything, and that's who I am today.
That's nice, so wonderful. That means that we must have met quite a number of high-profile clients.
Yes, yes. I don't know if you remember Stella Obasanjo before she died. She was one of my clients. I was very young. I used her to practice. My father really supported me. It connected me and helped me a lot. Yes, I go to many countries. Recently, I went to Abidjan in Dubai to work.
Diamond, Abidjan is in Côte d'Ivoire, son, right?
Yeah, it's Côte d'Ivoire.
Yes, I know. Okay. Actually, from Abidjan, the work was so wonderful, and they flew me to Dubai. That's what I meant.
Oh.
Yes, you see, I've gone to so many countries. They are clashing in my head. Okay. You ask me anything in beauty, I will answer you.
Oh, that's wonderful. I wish you continued success. I just hope that you and my son will finalize things soon. And I don't need anybody to come and do my makeup. I have makeup artist inside. So I don't have to spend extra money, okay? Welcome to my family. So now you're enjoying the food.
People coming to our life. But if we give a chance, we'll find. We will surely find the reason. They may stay for a season or even stay forever.
Diamond. You know, if you keep looking around like this, people will think this is your first time in a place like this.
My first time. No. People when I travel out of the country, I always go to places like this. Not a biggie.
I'm just saying the way you're looking.
It's just the aesthetically pleasing. I'm just
What? No?
aesthetics.
Aesthetics.
Aesthetics. Yeah, aesthetic. You know, when I went to France, all the French I learned is sometimes a clash with my English language.
You've been to France?
Oui, la la. Enchanté. Let's cheers like the French people.
Okay. To a good life.
Good life.
Hey, take it easy. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes.
Take it easy, yeah?
It's strong. I like the strong taste. You burn my throat.
Oh, I can see that.
Yeah.
I'm sure the food will be here soon.
Yes, you have placed the other,
Yeah,
right?
of course. It takes a while, yeah. Would you like dessert? So maybe I just place the other also.
Dessert?
Yeah, or maybe a smoothie. I don't know.
Smoothie. Okay, this one is burn my throat. Very harsh. So let me get something smooth. Smooth. I like my foods to be smooth. A smooth one, and then
Why are you always joking? Come on.
I'm joking. Yes, I'm joking. I'll have the smoothie. See, I'm smooth.
Okay,
So give me the
smoothie.
smooth one.
When she comes out, I'll place the order.
Wow. The aesthetically is nice. Aesthetic is the. I'm just looking at aesthetic. Aesthetic. Adrian,
Diamond, what are you doing up? Shouldn't you be sleeping?
I'm supposed to be asking you that. Why are you not in bed?
I couldn't sleep. I thought I would just come down for a quick drink. Maybe it'll help me sleep.
Well, me too. I cannot sleep.
Okay.
Maybe I'll
both
just
of
join
us.
you.
Oh, you want to join me?
Eh?
Okay. What's your poison?
Poison? I'm not poisoning it. It's not you that fetch the drink by yourself. I'm not poisoning the drink.
Why are you always making jokes? You know what I mean. Talking about your brand. Come on. Why are you always being silly?
For the drink.
Yeah, what brand is for? What do you mean poison?
Yes, the brand. Which brand is it? Which one is it?
This is gin. This is pretty strong. I don't think you can handle this one.
No. This one. It's what I drink every time.
This is very strong.
You
I should
know?
get you something lighter.
No, this one, I can drink it. When we're out with the girls, clock it. This is the drink I drink. Yeah.
Maybe I should just
no, there's nothing here now.
Hey, slow. Okay, that was a pretty big gulp. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Good night.
Are you sure you're...
He really talks in a poison. Oh. Yeah.
Diamond.
Hey. Which drink be that one? Hey, oh my throat, they burn me, oh my chest, they pop me, oh God. Also, where I get to the cover now, typical of all my body, they bring me, oh. Is in a poesie could drink up. Rich people, rich people, rich people. God, this light is not for me. Oh, I got up.
Never know why people come into our lives. People come into our lives. But if we give a chance, we'll find. We will surely find the reason. They may stay for a season, or even stay forever. They may have
You are welcome to my humble abode.
I didn't know you're living in paradise, though. I would have visited since.
I see. See that me. Why they look me less now?
Diamond.
I'm market. I copy now. Let me get you something chill to drink. Excuse me.
Are you kidding me?
Hey, not be choice.
Hi. Are you serious?
Here's my mansion that I'm controlling. Here you go.
But honestly, this place is beautiful.
You can say that again.
Look at you. You're glowing. Look at your skin. You look so good.
Thank God, oh my God.
But what again, Diamond? Don't tell me you're changing your mind, though. Look at this place. Look at this. This is the life you've always wanted. Remember?
I know. It's not as if I want to remain in poverty and boroboro, but all this big lie we person they talk. All this deceive, where they deceive this man. Say I be posh girl, I be big babe, I be this one, they on in class. When I know say, I know rich. Now good man, I know like to dey deceive him. A very nice man, even he good to me, past waiting I expect. All this pretend they heavy me for chest. I don't fit.
Diamond. Listen to me carefully. You see this guy? He likes the version of you he sees. And if this version changes, he might change too. Hey, babe, you remember that saying they say now? Fake it until you make it.
You can just fake they go.
They fake it. This is your chance, so don't ruin it for yourself. Grab it tight and make use of it.
No wahala.
So you're looking good. Hey, how far the mom? What's she doing?
Like, the mom like me, oh. She don't get wahala at all.
You see?
So, she they do elegant. Me, I they do elegant. She they shine. Me say about they shine. She like me, oh.
So what are we talking about? Enjoy the flow. Enjoy it.
No shaking. Cheers to our mansion.
Yeah, my billionaire friend.
Not so yeah. Hey, see pure water.
What?
See pure water.
Okay.
I beg, reduce speed.
What are you trying to do?
I want pure water now. Hey, pure water.
Diamond, what are you? Don't, no, she's just good. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Pure water.
Go, don't worry about it. What are you doing?
Wait, what is the problem? It's water. I want to buy water.
Not drinking that.
I'm
You're
thirsty.
not drinking that. Okay. You've been squeezing your face all through this ride. Is it because I didn't allow you to get water?
Why would you not allow me to buy water to drink? My throat is dry.
It's not about the water now. It's sachet water. It's so ras. Come on, Diamond. A woman like you drinking pure water. Come on now.
Water is water. It's water that is inside.
You should be drinking bottled water. It suits you.
Oh yeah, bring bottled water for me now. I'm thirsty. I want to drink. All the traffic, all this journey that we have been journeying since.
Okay, normally I always have a bottle in my car, but I drank the last one I had.
Oh,
You know what? Let me just get one for you. Can you just wait? Let me get one.
Look for
Store.
supermarket.
I'm coming. Is that bread? Where did you get bread from?
I carry it from the house. I don't say that this man made the house that I go is far.
Wait. You brought bread from your house. Why?
Because I know that this journey that we are journeying to go and see mommy, I know that mommy's house is far. So I know that traffic will hold us. Now I carry bread from the house.
Wait, the water you wanted was not because you were thirsty, because you wanted to eat it with bread.
If I eat bread, I use water to push it down now.
This is so wrong. Bread. God, if you're hungry, you should have told me. I'll stop at your restaurant, you get food and you eat. Bread and pure water is... Are you a construction worker? What is wrong with you? What kind of rash behavior is this?
It is the thank you that you will tell me. Adrian, okay, you want to enter restaurants, you not spend money. They will not say luxury meets food. Now luxury won't pay for you. They will not tell you that one plate of food is 75,000. As I buy bread from house, carry bread from house, you don't like it. I'm helping you to save your money. The bread is very sweet. If you mix it with water, is it a crime? Bread and water, is it not food? I don't understand all this posh package. I don't understand. We are rich people. Me, I'm rich too. I will eat bread.
Let's just go. But I have to be honest with you. You are a very posh lady. This doesn't make any sense. I'm just saying, no, it doesn't make any sense. This is too rash.
People come into our lives. People come into our lives. But if we give a chance, we'll find. We will surely find the reason they may stay for.
Do your parents know about your relationship with my son?
Hey, babe. How are you?
Good morning, my
Good morning, my love.
I made it the way you like it.
You made it the way I like it.
Special toast with sardines, honey, and all those little berries that you like. Love it.
You know me too well.
Of course, baby.
Hello, you two seem to have forgotten that I am still here.
I'm so sorry, Mom. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning.
Prayer first.
Oops, sorry. Sorry.
Lord, forgive us. Bless this food in the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Amen.
Let's begin.
Diamond, you've not answered my question. Do your parents know about your relationship with my son? Because very soon, two of you will be officially married.
Yes, right?
Yeah. I'm sorry, I can't finish this. I'm running late. I have to go. So I will have to see you guys when I get back from work.
Okay.
Mom?
Okay.
So yeah.
All right. Let me see you off.
Yes, I see my photo copy. Let's just stop.
Why does she always act so weird? Or am I observing too much?
Hey. Rich people get wahala. Wetin be this kind thing again? How want to blend these tomatoes now? Which kind of wahala be this? Wetin be this?
Hey, Diamond. I was going to.
My phone is ringing.
Your phone is ringing.
Yes, baby. Please just help me blend the tomatoes real quick. My phone. Oh, my father. My father is in surgery. Oh my God. I'm coming. Just blend the tomatoes fast, yeah?
Oh. Why do I never hear her phone? So, Dada.
So, Diamond, tell me, what kind of wedding do you want? For me, I want my son's wedding to be on every social media platform in Nigeria. So for you, what do you want to be unforgettable from the side?
Food. I mean, the crowd. Actually, I always wanted a quiet wedding, but elegant. Well, since you want something loud on social media, then I would say my dress. I want my dress to be simple, but expensive. Yeah. Grand. Made by the best fashion designer in Africa.
Wow, that's beautiful. You want it very simple. Your choice speaks loud.
That's Nima. I'm not one to blend in with the crowd or trends, but in everything I do, I want to stand out.
I like that. I like that. I like that. Yeah. Thank you, Diamond. Thank you so much. You are really the kind of one I want my son to get married to. I just hope that both of you will start something very soon. No wasting of time, please.
This means so much to me, Ma. Adrian and I will do the right thing very, very soon.
Wow. I believe you. I believe you. I trust you. Thank you. Thank you.
Finally done for breakfast?
Yes. Finally.
Oh, wow.
Hi.
Okay, what kind of eating pattern is this?
Asa.
I mean, what you're doing, like, you're dipping the bread into, you dip it in the salt wet and then...
I don't know. Very interesting.
Oh, this is very, very childish. This is like primary
Very
two.
sweet though. We like it.
Okay, Diamond, I don't understand. A woman of your class, a mature woman, dipping bread in, it's not a good look. It's very distasteful.
Which can wait because I class for this one now. It's just me and you that are here now. Every time person go the package. I mean, it's not every time somebody will be doing. This one is my style, I beg. It's how I like it.
It could be your style, but imagine if people in the public see you doing this. It's not a good look.
But it's just me and you that are here now. Everything will be packaging. I mean, everything is not, everybody and their style. But me and you not be public figure now. We are not in the public. I want me to enjoy this thing. See, oh yeah, let me put for you. You will like it.
No, don't do that. Don't.
Adrian, open mouth.
No, please.
I don't like it. It's sweet though. You don't know what you are missing. You don't know what you are missing. Hi. What that's here? One of my best food. When I soak it inside.
Oh.
Son?
Why are you still up?
Please sit.
Okay. Are you okay?
I'm good.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
What's going on?
Adrian, I'm bothered.
Why are you bothered?
Diamond, your woman.
What about her mom?
She acts weird in different ways I don't understand. I like her. I do, yes, I like her.
That's a good thing.
I just don't. Sometimes I think I don't just really know her.
Well, Mom, the thing is, yes, Diamond is very successful, but she doesn't allow those things get into her head. And she's just being herself. She doesn't pretend or try to be somebody that she's not. Mom, I assure you there's nothing wrong. She's okay. She's good. I promise you.
If you say so.
I do say so.
Son, I just want you two to be happy. That's all I want.
And we will be happy. All right? We are happy, actually. So you don't have to worry yourself.
Are you sure?
I'm 100% sure, Mom. Is that why you're sitting here like this? With this serious look on your face? We're good, okay?
Okay.
All right. Let me go get something from the car.
All right.
All right, Mom. All right. Stop worrying yourself. Go on.
All right.
You see this one, eh? This one will really, really suit you. It will blend with your skin, everything.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Okay. All right.
See, if you wear this one, we now add it with that hair. That one we borrowed now. Andre will not take his eyes off it. Trust too.
Okay, so in all of it is 8 clothes.
Yes.
2 wigs.
Yes.
And handbag, everything. No problem.
And don't forget, we are returning everything in 2 weeks.
Hi. This girl, what will they borrow clothes from? She too harsh.
I don't understand you. What's wrong with this pigeon? Switch.
Now let us the year now. You let me speak pidgin, I beg. She get too harsh. 2 weeks.
I don't want to hear that. Just switch it, please. I don't like it.
Okay, she's harsh.
Take. Don't forget everything I told you.
I will miss you, Naza.
I will miss you.
But I'll call you. I'll call you from a mansion, innit? Oh, thank you so much.
Where did I get this friend from? You switch, you went to UK.
Hey, you say me can speak for Nena.
I love that. That's my girl.
Hey, oh my gosh. Clock it. Beg man, sleep me.
Did you use my shampoo?
Shampoo?
I mean, did you use my hair shampoo? I can smell it on you.
Okay, it's for hair.
Yeah, it's written the hair shampoo.
I used it to bathe, so No, it looks like my bathing soap. I thought it was bathing lotion.
Diamond, you bathed with my hair shampoo.
The bottle of your shampoo and my bathing this thing, they look alike. I thought it was my bathing soap.
Diamond, you have to be much more careful now. You could just take things, you look at them properly for your own safety.
They look alike, that's why. Man, the smell is nice. Oh.
It's for your hair, not for your skin. You know, give me your hand. Let's go. You bathe again.
I don't understand.
You're supposed to wash it off your skin. Get up.
I should bath again?
Yes, you bathe again.
Oh, but...
Off your skin.
Pigeon, I've had my bath already now.
You bath again. Yeah.
Hey. Because of shampoo?
Yes, because of shampoo. Go in there.
Adrian?
Yeah? Why are you taking pictures of me?
Why not? I mean, it's just for remembrance. We hardly have any pictures together. Toodles!
What are you doing with all of this?
Okay. The shopping bags.
What are you doing with these?
I got them from your mother's room.
I know. What are you doing with my mom's old shopping bags?
Old? They're not really old like that though. These shopping bags, they are very useful oh. Maybe if you want to carry a shoe, or maybe you want to carry shirt to go to work or to stroll or do something, you buy gift for a person from market. It's this bag you will use oh. See the bag.
These are
Packaging.
trash. This should be thrown away. I don't even know why my mom still has them.
Eh? Trash waiting. Trash as how? Hey! It's very valuable. Value. Look at it. See this one that you are holding now, eh? See nice, still very sharp. See the hand. See packaging. See you will just see. Imagine now you go and buy gift for somebody from market. You will put it inside here. Spray it perfume. See packaging. I will keep all these bags. You are looking at me like this now. You are doing shakara. Don't worry. By the time you see the value of this bag, it will be too late for you. By that time, I will remind you of this day that I'm telling you to keep it now. You don't want to keep it. I will keep it. I will keep all of them. Come and see this all these fine bags. If people want to throw them away. Hey, Adrian and Mama. Luxury on points. Woo! Hey. Today when I want to use this television and enjoy my life now, this remote control is not working. Wait.
Hey.
Hey, now wow. This you can wahala be this. I take on this one now. Eh? Oh.
Diamond.
Ma. Well done, ma.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you.
Let me help.
No, I was just...
Don't worry, let me help you. That happens to people who don't quite know how to use it. Let's look at it. So, what do you want to watch?
Ma, I will just... let me water. Let me go and get water in the kitchen. I'm sorry, ma.
There's a feeling that is stronger than pain, but it comes with so much uncertainty. Thriving above all of the locked up emotions, trying to keep the heart from opening the door. But the beauty of love, you may not know
So your company says that you are an excellent chauffeur?
Yes.
So that you will do your job professional? Of course. Okay. So the thing is, I'm going to go into town for a bit and I need someone to help my family, move around back and forth. First, you can handle it?
Sir, trust me, I will do the job excellently. Yes, I will do it.
Baby.
I do. Good day, ma.
Hello. Who is he?
So he is going to be a chauffeur. So I'll allow you both to get in acquainted. Huh? Introduce yourself and tell us exactly what you need back. Okay? Okay, so some calls to attend, okay?
Okay. All right, baby.
Go ahead, ma.
Well done, no. Chauffeur, Abi?
Yes, ma, exactly.
So, what is that? I mean, what's that? What are you going to be doing?
Ma, I will be the one driving you around. Just for the meantime.
Hey, that is driver.
Exactly, ma.
Oh, God. So, na driver, una don't package, and they call her hey, Lekki. Now, wow, nothing we must not go see for Lekki, because chauffeur. Oh, okay. No problem. So, I'll be calling you driver. Yes, I'll call you driver or brother, uncle, because that's what you are. Calm down. You are too fast. Chauffeur. I hope you understand.
I don't understand, ma.
Meaning what? I am your madam. If I say hope you understand, you need to understand. Do you understand?
I understand, ma.
You are a driver now, are you not?
Yes.
I hope you understand.
Yes, ma, exactly.
Hey, see packaging. They don't carry CV. Wear big clothes for driver work. Now, well. No wonder. Hey. Oh. Hey. Adrian. Adrian.
Yeah, that's all right.
Hi, I beg. It's the office. AC want to kill me.
What do you mean off the AC? It was hot now. I saw you sweating now. It's hot.
He surely want to finish me, or it's AC that kill my uncle.
Diamond, what is your problem with ACs? You don't like ACs in the car, now in the house? What is your issue?
It's AC that kill my uncle.
Weather is hot.
It's chilling. It's so shit.
It's okay. It's fine. I'll put it off.
Oh my.
It's off.
You don't know this. AC is to cause pneumonia. Too much AC is not good, oh, Adrian. Don't kill me, oh, please.
Do you have the song?
It's okay. It's not bad, but I think we can check for more.
You know what this? It's very naive. I don't like this one. The open button. Don't it wait.
You know, we're looking for elegant
Diamond?
and grand.
Diamond.
Baby.
Oh, Aja, please come and see the beautiful wedding gown.
Please, not now. Not now. What's up with that thing you put on the pillow?
Pillow? I don't understand. What are you talking about?
I don't this. If two of you are having a problem, go to your woman, settle it, not in my presence. Please. Be quiet. Show him, okay?
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. There's no problem. What pillow are you talking about?
You're seriously asking me what pillow I'm talking about?
Yes.
You really do not know what I'm talking about? Really?
I don't know.
The bloody money in the pillow. What do you have money in the pillow? Are you some kind of village girl? Who does that?
No.
Look at you, a classy woman putting money in the pillow. Pillow you lay your head on every day. Does that even make any sense? What is wrong with you?
Okay. Oh, the pillow, the money in the pillow.
Yes, the money in the pillow.
I'm not local, oh. It's not local doings. Actually, you see, I saw it online. You know, my international friends online. I was only manifesting in America, where you manifest what the future you want to have. That is when you put the money in the pillow and you put your head on the pillow.
Actually,
you are money-minded, focus-minded,
It
entrepreneur.
makes no sense. It makes absolutely no sense. It makes no sense. It makes you look like some village woman. That's how you're looking.
Hey, I didn't know.
That's what you're doing. It makes no sense. Because you saw it online doesn't mean it's correct. Now, all this stupid superstition. Come on now. I don't want my mom to start thinking that you're somebody you're not. I mean, you're a classy woman now.
Oh, yes. Of course.
Imagine she says that, what would she think?
She can still want to manifest too.
Can you stop?
Oh, yeah, I will not manifest again.
Stop. Just stop. You're acting weird. You're acting very, very weird. No. I'm being honest. You're acting very weird.
Okay.
It's like I barely know you.
No.
The things you're doing, listen, it's not adding up in my head.
Sorry.
Can you act together?
Okay. Sorry. I know say this my village lifestyle one day could disgrace me. Eh? Yeah, I won't keep money again. Not before inside pillow did they keep money. How much I get where I will carry money go bank? Hey, where I go keep the money now? I don't cast.
Ma.
Yes?
This is the key.
Thank you, Uncle.
Thank
you, sir.
Thank you, ma.
Ah, Uncle, you can drive, eh? You dey drive well, oh.
Thank you, ma.
Keep it up, please.
Thank you.
Eh? All right, Uncle.
I really appreciate it.
All right, bye-bye, Uncle.
Mama, bye-bye.
Ha! Ma, hey, this brother, eh? This uncle, he can drive. He's very,
Wait.
very good.
Diamond,
Ma?
why are you calling him uncle?
He senior me now.
Diamond, make it sound appropriate, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
He's a driver or a chauffeur, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
He's not your uncle, not an uncle. Where did they turn your uncle?
Based on seniority. But ma, let me carry this thing inside.
Okay.
Sorry. Chauffeur. Chauffeur.
Girl, you're a character. A character. Ah.
So look at the clothes. I made sure that she gives me the best of what she has.
Hey! Now you the runner now. Not be choice.
Calm down now. Now only me and you dey here. I still don't want you to be speaking like that. To speak English is not easy like that.
Well, I beg, okay, I trust your government and I love it. It will fit me, oh.
Yeah, see, this one will just be on your body or your shape.
Hey.
See this one.
This one, na high street babes. Red lights.
Oh my
Okay, now designer, so. Hey, babe.
I can see you have a visitor.
Yes, she's
Yeah, my name is Naza. I sell luxury clothes.
Clothes.
Yes, she sells luxury clothes. In fact, she just came back from Dubai.
Oh,
Yes, yes, with her new stock of clothes.
Yes.
Okay. It's amazing.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Sorry, let me introduce properly. No vex. This is my man, my husband to be, Adrian Bello. Sorry.
It's nice to meet you, Naza.
Nice to meet you too.
So, baby, are you done picking?
No, I'm still selecting her.
Okay, when you're done, send the video, okay?
Baby. Thank you.
It's all right. All right, ladies, enjoy yourself.
All right.
Welcome again.
Thank you. Hey, just like that though. Wait. This one is calling you babe. He's paying your bills. It's like this guy is liking you.
My sister, now the prayer points be that oh.
Talk way. What's not the prayer point with that? Speak English.
Well, that's my prayer.
Okay.
Bring all the clothes, bring all the clothes.
See this one. You suit you very well.
Just the pack and the packer. The packer, load and go. I get buyer.
Diamond. Diamond. Sorry, sorry to wake you up. I just want to ask you some question.
Why you go relative pain? I was just resting my eyes.
Okay, that's good. I was going to say that since you've been here trying to help me, I'm just wondering how your business is faring. I mean, I've not noticed you taking any calls or anything, so I'm just scared that maybe your business is suffering. Diamond?
Yes. Actually, I didn't want to tell you. I told my clients, my big paying clients, that I was traveling for a while so that I can concentrate with this our plan.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sorry to ask, but why are you doing all of this for me?
You mean putting my business on hold and not charging you for that?
Okay.
Why do you think I'm doing it?
Thank you. Okay, you can go back to bed now. I just wanted to get that off my chest.
Or you can just maintain the moment and put things in our chest.
Come on, what are you doing? What are you doing? I wish you. What are you doing?
Ay.
Huh? What is wait now? Why are you hiding?
No, I'm not hiding. Hiding, okay?
But you were supposed to, I was trying to get you.
It's mosquito. Mosquito was
Mosquito.
biting my leg.
This time of the day.
Thank God she has passed.
Who passed? Who are you talking about?
The mosquito now. Sandfly. Oh, this is biting me. Let's
I
go.
wanted
Let's
to open
go.
the door for you. I wanted to open it. Okay, fine.
Hey, take it. Open it for myself. Let's go. Let's go. Hello?
Diamond,
at home now. Which one be where am I?
Are you with Andre?
No. Wetin happen? Any problem?
Yes. You need to be careful. The lady who lent us the wig and those dresses the other time, she heard you're now staying with a very rich guy and she's demanding money for new clothes.
New cloth care, she dey craze. But I no damage the cloth wey I borrow now. So why she come dey ask for that kind of money? Which kind of stupid thing be that?
Honestly, I don't know what she's thinking. I just didn't want you running into her unprepared.
I see her yesterday, Omo, you see where I dodge. She no see me.
Good. Don't let her see you at all. If she confronts you there, it's going to be chaos, and I don't think you want that.
Now wow, no wahala now. I dey on guard like this, I'm active.
Just protect yourself, okay?
No shaking, no shaking. Oh yeah, now abeg they text me, no they call me anyhow now. You know say I dey with billionaire. Abeg no go put me for trouble. Bye.
Alright, bye.
Ah, wetin dey worry this stupid girl now? Why yeah cloth wey she borrow me, she want dey tension me. I collect water, maybe like say I get wetin make me a vacation.
A feeling that is stronger than pain, but comes with so much uncertainty.
What are you doing?
Good morning. I'm just cleaning the house.
Cleaning the house. You know you don't really have to do this. I have a help who comes 3 times in a week. She'll be here soon actually.
Forget all those higher cleaner. A woman is in the house, so you have to feel my presence. My hand cleans more than all those 10,000 of them.
As much as I don't support this, giving a woman of your caliber, if you must, then there's a vacuum cleaner. You could just use that.
Is it?
There's a vacuum cleaner, a really big one. You can use it instead of using broom and mops and.
Vacuum cleaner. What be vacuum cleaner? Hey, I don't know what vacuum cleaner be, but I need to pretend so that you no go catch me.
No.
Okay, the vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, this is a big one. Just.
See, let me tell you something about my family. I grew up in money. You understand? My parents are very rich. But we were taught the dignity in labor. Oh. Yes, when I use my hands to clean this house, it is more than any machine. Don't worry, eh? I'll use my hands.
So you enjoy chores. Again, I'm insisting, just use the vacuum cleaner instead. If you must, use that. So let me just get you the vacuum cleaner and then use that instead.
Okay. You want to? It's okay. Don't worry. I'll get it.
No, let me get it for you.
Don't bother yourself. I'll get it. I'm a very active person. I'm active. Call me Chivita.
Okay, that's
you see? I like to, if I don't use my hand and leg to walk for a while, I'll be sick.
Oh, it's like exercise.
Yes.
Okay, that makes sense.
My blood now is flowing well.
I understand.
Doing
need
things.
To stretch and all that.
I'll bring it.
You know where it is?
I'm the woman of the house. I know everything in the house.
The house, yeah.
Yes. Just go upstairs, go and rest. I'll use the microwave.
Are you done cleaning?
Washing machine. I will use the vacuum
cleaner.
Yes.
Say.
Just go upstairs.
You're done with this side, yeah?
Yes, I'm done with this side.
Let me just sit a bit now and watching TV. I hope I'm not disturbing you.
No. Okay, you want to stay here?
Yeah, just.
Okay. Hey, he sent this guy me sit down for here now. Hey, wahala. I don't know where's the vacuum cleaner there. I don't even know what's in be safe. Hey, God.
Are you okay?
Aye.
Are you okay? What is wrong?
My stomach.
Oh, you just leave this. Just leave this. Maybe go to the toilet or something. No, and then.
Yes, toilets. Yes, it must be something I ate.
Yeah.
I will come back.
Sorry.
Back. Hey, thank you. Hi.
Sorry. Take it easy, yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
Where are you going? This kitchen is out of bounds to you, sir. You can wait in the living room and I'll serve you when food is ready.
What if I refuse? What are you going to do about it? Want to beat me up?
Well, then there'll be no food for you, young man.
I just came here to help.
Help.
I can cut onions. A lot of things I could do. You know? Well, so I'm just trying to help.
Thank you so much, helper. Don't spoil the food I'm cooking, please. What you can do now is pick a spot, chill there and watch me do my thing. Watch and learn.
You lack faith. That's the problem, bro, okay? Okay. I've been cooking since I was 2, I told you. I'm a little chef.
Everybody knows that women are better than men in cooking.
The best chefs in the world are men. Men.
Please, Joe, console yourself. You're just saying that.
Dude, this is easy.
You'll cook for me one day.
I would love to. Told you I've been cooking since when I was 2. When my hand could not even reach the shop, I was chopping the...
From inside your mother's womb.
Yes, I was taking lessons. Audio lessons.
Oh!
Sorry. Nice one. Nice one. Okay, you got.
That'll be you if you try to cut.
What?
Is it that you cut your hand or the onions will make you cry like a baby?
Did you hear when I said I've been cooking since when I was 2? I was this little. I was like this, and then
You were your mother's womb self. Like, yeah.
I learned from her while I was there watching her do her thing, or feeling her do her thing actually.
Adrian, you can lie.
Follow your heart to the place it will take you, to the one it will lead you to. You've got to follow your heart. You've got to follow your heart. Follow Listen to your heart calling. You gotta answer.
Wait, are you crying?
No.
What do you mean no? You were crying over the movie.
I'm not crying. The movie was very emotional, but no, I'm a big girl. Big girls don't cry.
I can literally see tears in your eyes.
No, you can't.
Why are you always forming tough all the time? It's okay to be vulnerable. It's a good movie. It's a sad movie, so it's okay to cry. Come here, Bobo. Come here. All right. Oh.
Thriving above all of the emotions, trying to keep the heart from opening the door. But the beauty of love, you may not know where it'll find you.
Good night.
Yeah, so good night.
You've got to follow your heart to the place it will take you, to the one it will lead you to. You've got to follow your heart. You've got to follow your heart.
Not be Chisom be this. Chisom! Where should they go? Chisom, stop! Boro! We borrower! Hey, Oshosco PS, rather, you don't see freshman now. You don't see man. Chisom, come out! Chisom!
I don't know what bad person.
We borrower!
I don't expect.
Oshosco PS. You don't see man. You don't. Where should they go? Chisom! Man, catch you, no worry. You and that your friend, man, catch you. You don't see man, you don't the package. Man, catch you, no worry. Oshosco, where my shoe? Hi, Chisom. No problem. Where my shoe?
Woman comes out of nowhere, calling you different names. And this is what you're telling me? Does it even make sense to you?
Are you listening to yourself? I told you I don't know her. Like, how in the world am I supposed to know that classless lady? Like, how?
And I've told you times that number. I don't know her. I don't know why you're going to believe someone outside over me.
Okay, Diamond, now you're clearly misunderstanding me. My point is, if you did not know why, you should have stood your ground. Not run off now. The way you ran off, like, it was like, it was kind of suspicious.
Wait,
I
I
have
should
to be honest.
stand and do what? Exchange words with a mad person so she can harm me or make a scene in public? Is that what you're going to do if you wear my shoes? I can't believe this. I can't believe you're doing this to me.
Why are you talking like this?
Why you?
You know exactly what I'm trying to say. Well, why are you talking like
No,
this?
I don't. I don't know. I don't know what you're trying to say. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why you would turn against me like this. I'm so disappointed. I can't take this. I can't believe this.
Listen, it's okay. All right, it's okay. It's all right. I'm sorry. All right, I'm terribly sorry. I just forget it. I apologize.
How will you take the words of someone?
I said I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let's just forget it. I'm sorry. Okay.
So what you like?
Let me see.
It's look nice.
Yeah, I think it looks.
Chisom. Here?
Who are you? Excuse me, what's the meaning of that nonsense?
Hello. You have really done more harm than good on this wiggle.
Oh, excuse me.
Ah, fine boy. Did she tell you that she's going wig up and down?
No.
No,
excuse me.
She and her friend has been going on my wigs, oh. Hair, shoe, accessories, all of it.
Pay her no mind. She's a mad person.
Really?
Can we leave?
You did not borrow this one.
Can I have my wig?
If I... Can you afford it? No, can you afford it? Can you afford... If I slap you, it's fine.
Can we leave?
You're too fine for her fake life, oh.
Can we leave?
Give me my wig. She's a
In
mad
that
person.
car. In that car. Hey, tell your friend I'm coming for her. Oh. Tell her. My shoe, my hair, everything. Tell her I'm coming, oh. Living fake life all over Lagos. All my jewelries. Ha! With this fine boy. Rubbish.
Chisom. You know, so you've been lying to me. So your name is not Diamond. Your name is Chisom. I knew something was off. I knew it. I knew something was off. I just knew something was off. I mean, you've been acting very weird. There's something off about you. Who are you? Who are you?
My name is Chisom. Diamond, not just my name to look like a big girl. I just wanted to make it in life. But they say fake it till you make it. I'm sorry, please.
You're sorry? What am I supposed to do with your sorry? You deceit.
Please, Adrian, please. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Adrian, please. Adrian, please. Please hear me out, please. Please, I'm sorry. Just hear me out, please. I didn't mean for all this to happen. Please don't do this to us. Please don't do this to me. I love you. I really do. I never meant to hurt you or to...
Hurt me or what? Or what? Diamond, yeah? That's the name you came to me with. When outside there, you're known as someone else. You lied to me. And I believed your stupid lies. You kept lying. And you're telling me you never meant to hurt me? You never meant to hurt me.
was just trying to survive.
John!
Adrian, please, forgive me.
John!
Please forgive me, I'm sorry.
John, come. No, I didn't call you. You just answered. John, look at this face. Take a good look at this face. I do not want this woman anywhere in this house. If she crosses this gate, you're fired. Get her out.
Adrian, please.
Okay. Man, no verse, no sin, I'm a guy. As he talk this thing, I go do a
Please help me to talk to him. I made a mistake. Please. Okay, please.
I don't hear, but make you go first. Maybe I go talk to her. Oh? Hi. Oh,
My heart
you
is
will be my own
wrapped
person.
around an
No
emptiness. An emptiness.
Talk to him.
Regret.
Please.
No worry, I go talk to her.
That
No
is
worry.
what my heart feels. Regret. Trapped in a void. My heart is wrapped around an emptiness. An emptiness. But what could have been if I hadn't gone? Maybe our love is worth fighting for. What could have been if I had stayed? Maybe this love would have remained. How did I get here? How did I come to this point? Still searching for answers. Should I go left? Should I go right? Oh, I feel regret. Cause that is what my heart feels. Regret. Trapped in a void. My heart is wrapped around an emptiness. An emptiness. Oh, regret. That is what my heart feels. Regret. I'm trapped in a void. My heart is wrapped around an emptiness. Ooh, 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 an emptiness. That is what my heart feels. Regret.
Okay, John.
Madam Diamond, waiting.
Good afternoon.
Waiting be that.
No, Chisom. Call me Chisom. That's my real name.
You dey confuse me, oh. Waiting dey happen here. Who be this again? I don't understand you, Madam Diamond.
Please, sir. Please, I want to see your girl Adrian. I beg. I no go stay. I beg, make I see him.
That one no dey possible, oh. It no go happen. That one no fit happen. See, my oga serious, oh. He's serious, well. He's serious past the situation of this country, oh. See, if you see the way they want me, if you see the way they hold my ear like this, they shout them for my ear, shout them for inside my ear. If you see the things, if I begin to tell you all the things when tell me that day, you no go dey here now they talk this thing. See, make I tell you, I take God name beg you, I beg.
Okay, John, I beg you. Now God name I take beg you. Make I just see I'm small. And so you no go enter problem. I go just talk with her. I want talk to her. I mean no go say I beg you.
I be wan use that same God beg you, but since you don't use God, Madam Diamond, silver, gold, frankincense, all of them, Neagada, they beg you. I use and they beg you because my God don't tell me, don't want me seriously. He say you don't want to see this your beautiful face here again. You know, say I don't dey pay you since, because say it's my person, but you know don't understand them. Until I'll come this my job now, what did they find? I get children, no.
Regret.
No problem. No verse.
That is what my
I dey go,
heart
I dey go.
feels. Regret. Trapped in a void. My heart is wrapped around an emptiness. An emptiness. But what could have been if I hadn't gone? Maybe our love was worth fighting for. What could have been if I had stayed?
Hey, Mom.
Maybe this love would have remained. How did I get here?
I set food for you since morning. You haven't touched it. Why?
Mom, I'm not hungry. And I have a ton of work to do.
Have you heard from her? Adrian Bello, I said, have you heard from her?
I haven't heard from her, Mom. I told John not to let her in. I said, Mom, I'm sorry. All right, I messed up. I don't know what I was thinking. I was just looking for the easy way out, and I wasn't thinking, and I did a stupid thing, and the whole thing is just...
It's okay. I should be the one apologizing to you for pushing so hard to do this. I'm sorry. Aside all that happened, Diamond loves you. Yes, I can see the way she's trying to impress you, to learn. You ought to forgive her, please.
And why should I believe you?
Because Chisom never did anything to hurt you. You might hate her for the lies, the fake life, but don't hate her for the love she has for you. To be very honest, you see, this whole idea was all my idea. I put her into it. See, she's just like every other girl who wants to survive by coming to the city from her village. She's been my friend for years, trying to make ends meet by being elegant. She believes if she fits into what the society wants, she won't be intimidated. And she also believes she can put an end to poverty by using her new voice as Diamond, not Chisom. That's why I helped her with the clothes, the shoes, the bags, just to help her blend in and get what she wants. But please, Chisom is not a thief. I only borrowed the clothes for her.
I didn't know all these things about her. Everything I did was to protect myself.
Yes, you were. But now you know the truth. Please don't blame her too much. Find a place in your heart to forgive her. I beg you.
My heart is wrapped around an emptiness. An emptiness. Regret. That is what my heart feels. Regret.
Chisom.
Trapped in a void.
Adrian,
Hey.
what are you doing here?
I came to see you.
Me?
Of course, you. Listen, Chisom, the house is empty without you. I've missed you so much. Hey, listen. I've spent time with Diamond, and Diamond is kind of cool. If you take out the lies and the fake life, I want to spend time with Chisom. I want to see what she's about.
She's on a local girl. Not like her.
Well, let me try and find out for myself. So I'm suggesting that, we start with a clean slate.
You classy man.
I don't mind. Tell me try. Please.
Only if you give me your shampoo to bath.
What? You want a bucket like shampoo?
The shampoo smells so nice.
I know.
I've missed you and I'm so sorry about everything. I just want to try survive.
I understand. It's okay. Let's start from fresh, clean slate. Okay?
Okay.
Leave me. I'm hurting.